Hello, my name is Kevin Jenkins, and today I'm going to be presenting some website improvements that will promote usability by streamlining your web layout. And I'm also going to focus on the library's role in a community. Now, y'all did state that y'all wanted to have a photograph of the library on the homepage, and I think that's a great idea, because it's going to allow people to more, better identify with the website, and also you wanted to promote the fact that they users can get free if they visit the library, which is great. Now I did also notice that you were saying that you wanted to have the ability to update your website regularly, because I looked down at the bottom, I saw that it hadn't been updated in about 6 years. So I'm going to provide a content management system that's going to allow you to do that. You're going to be able to update your programs and events page quickly and effectively. Now, not using Flash is a big concern of mine, but you stated that you wanted your website to be able to be viewed on multiple browsers, and that's real important these days, especially with the using smartphones. And I also noticed that your navigation bar isn't consistent. There are links on other navigation bars in the website that aren't on the homepage. So I wanted to unify all your navigation bars by having the same links on each page, because it's not a real good idea to have a link buried down into the page, and the only way you can get to the other page is to find that one web page. So I'm looking to change that for you. Now, you stated that um, offering a free electronic reading is very important to you, and you wanted to initiate a new way of people visiting the library, getting their books, just download them and also um, uh, renew them. So I was going to put that link on the home page because that's very important instead of them having to search and dive and find it. Now, also, too, what I wanted to do was put a little text in there, to kind of let them know what's going on. Not just the icon, but some text explaining it, because I kind of figured y'all have a pretty good idea on a user, meeting users expectations when they come into the library. Patrons coming into the library, y'all offer coffee and stuff like that. So if you apply the same hospitality to your website, you can get more visitors to your website, and they'll tell all their friends about it as well. Now, as far as your having important links on your homepage, one of your key points was having programs and events more accessible to your users. And so, what I suggest is placing a small calendar app type icon on the homepage, which will link to another page that has your calendar program things on there. Sorted by ages. I saw y'all had it sorted by ages, which is real good. Now, this is one of your web pages, but it's not consistent. It's totally different from all your other web pages. And so, to promote branding, I want to have all the banners match the same. The colors match the same for each web page. You know, and I think that's really important because also what I tend to do is have other users come in. After we put the website together to test it out. See how they like it. Some users like smaller images on the home page. Some like a little bit larger. Depending on age. And so I'm going to bring them in, sit them down, have them, test out the website and give me feedback. And then I'll bring that feedback to you so we can better design the layout. Yeah, and as I said earlier, like on your homepage, you have some images that are rather large and some that are rather small, but it's basically just a bunch of images with small text. And so what I want to do is change that, because and also your homepage is rather long. It's a lot of scrolling, so I wanted to switch that around. Put some images, some advertisements on there, but not make that the focal point because I see that there's a lot of empty space on your website, and so we want to streamline it. We want to use every part of the web page really effectively, and so I'm going to look to streamline all of that. And also, I saw that you have printed material available for download, but that page is like way deep off into the website. And so I wanted to put links on your homepage that will make it more easy for folks to download, programs and brochures. I think that'd be a real good idea. And also, I saw you have a photo gallery, which is great, which is great. Now, photo galleries on Flickr, that's actually a social media network. And so, what I suggest is using a social media icon for Flickr and put it alongside your Facebook and your Twitter icons. You know, and so that's going to really promote your website to the world. And I'm open for suggestions.